I always wanted to come and work in West Wales. The reason is because after finishing my basic medical degree in India, I did my first 6 months as an SHO trainee in Singleton, and I always loved the community, and there was a good work-life balance.
I would have to say, first of all, the country. I love the country. It's obviously my home country. I think it's a lovely, friendly place to work and live. I think Wales have got a lot of good points. I think people can sometimes be put off by the fact that it's a little bit out of the way, because it is a little bit out of the way. I think you can't, we've got lovely countryside, lots of outdoor activities and things. So myself, I like to go surfing and mountain biking when I've got a little bit of energy. And I think you can definitely do that. You wouldn't really be able to do that so many of the outdoor activities if you, for example, worked in London.
Outside of work, you can't be any better. The work-life balance is just fantastic in Wales, isn't it? You just step out the door and there's something to do, and it doesn't cost a penny. You can go for a walk on the beach, up the mountain. Really nice place to raise a family. The world's your oyster, even if you're on the western edge of the world.
So if anybody wants to come and work within paediatrics down here in West Wales, there are numerous reasons to come down this way.
It's very close to beaches, close to country, and the city is not very far from either. So you get choice of many, different quality of life.
It's the best career decision I did moving back to West Wales. Initially, I thought a few years ago, moving back from a tertiary centre, I would lose my skills and I wouldn't be able to develop as a nurse as much as I'd hoped. But I couldn't be further from the truth. It's the best learning opportunity I've had. I have learned so much, and my skills have just increased dramatically.
Working in this part of the world, it's a big move coming from a big city like Southampton to a place like this. So we came here with the mixed feelings, but until now we never regret that.